This is a UC Berkeley Bootcamp challenge assignment that utilizes a VBA script that loops through all the stocks for each quarter and outputs the following information. 1. The ticker symbol. 2. Quarterly change from the opening price at the beginning of a given quarter to the closing price at the end of that quarter. 3. The percentage change from the opening price at the beginning of a given quarter to the closing price at the end of that quarter. And 4. The total stock volume of the stock. Functionality to the script to return the stock with the greatest percent increase, greatest percent decrease, and greatest total volume was also added. Adjustments were made appropriately to the script to enable it to run on every worksheet at once. When this Excel file is open, a form will pop up automatically. That will prompt for the user to click on the Calculate button. The Reset button can also be clicked on if the calculations were already populated and for the user to run it again in order to see the functionality of the code. Macros were assigned to both buttons. Let's take a look at the code before we run it. This code sets up the variables to loop through each worksheet. It also sets up the headers for ticker, quarterly change, percent change, and total stock volume. The script also sets up the initial starting variables and loops through 1 quarter of stock data and reads and stores all of the following values from each row, such as the ticker symbol, volume of stock, open price, and close price. This cycle repeats to the last quarter worksheet. On the same worksheet as the raw data, all of the following columns were correctly created. That includes the ticker symbol, total stock volume, quarterly change, and percent change. All of the conditional formatting was applied correctly and appropriately to the quarterly change and percent change columns accordingly. Lastly, all 3 of the following values were calculated correctly and displayed in the output. 1. Greatest percent increase. 2. Greatest percent decrease. And 3. Greatest total volume. Now let's run the script. Here is the final output of the VBA code that was formatted programmatically as you see here. Thank you for watching the demo. Please visit my website at tychansey.com.